In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find best-selling products on Etsy using Everbee. Whether you're just getting started on Etsy or looking to expand your already thriving shop, Everbee offers powerful tools to uncover great product ideas and optimize your listings. Let's dive in and explore how you can harness the full potential of this platform. First up, we need to visit the Everbee website. Everbee provides an intuitive platform designed to help Etsy sellers like you discover the best products to sell. If you open your browser and head over to their site, you'll see a clean, straightforward interface that puts you right where you need to be. Once you're on the site, the next step is to sign up for a free account. Look for the Sign Up for Free button, which should be prominently displayed. Signing up will give you access to the essential features you'll need to search and analyze best-selling products effectively. And don't worry, signing up is quick and requires just a few basic details. After successfully signing up, it's time to connect your Etsy shop to Everbee. This integration is crucial because it allows Everbee to pull in data related to your specific shop. To do this, find the option that reads Connect Your Etsy Shop. Follow the prompts, and in just a few clicks, your Etsy shop will be linked, providing a seamless experience as you move forward. With your Etsy shop connected, there's now an option labeled Guarantee within Everbee. This feature involves agreeing to some terms that will secure your access to all the analytical insights Everbee offers. It ensures that your data remains safe while providing you full functionality within the app. After you've acknowledged and agreed to this, you're all set to start the product search. Now we arrive at the exciting part, product search. Here, you will leverage Everbee's advanced product research tools to find trending items and relevant keywords. This part of the process is crucial, as understanding trends and search terms is at the heart of selling successfully on Etsy. Dig deeper by analyzing the competition within your chosen product niches. Everbee offers insights on search volume and the age of listings, which can help you identify and target less saturated markets. This is where you can spot opportunities to step in and offer customers something they're searching for but aren't finding easily. To wrap it up, validate your product ideas by checking sales data. Look for listings characterized by impressive monthly sales and recent listing ages. This fresh data will ensure you're making informed decisions based on what's currently working. By focusing your efforts on these promising listings, you can boost your chances of success in the Etsy marketplace. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate Everbee and discover best-selling products for your Etsy shop. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights on optimizing your e-commerce efforts.